Hi, my name is Kyle Burnett with Iron Dog K9 International. We're here at MoRide today getting independent suspension and disc brakes put on our new Momentum to help keep us safe when we're traveling the country. This year so far, we've done almost 14,000 miles and we still have one event left. And we feel like with this upgrade, it will definitely help keep us safe and keep us rolling down the road to help protect the canines. I think not having everything spread all over the garage every time we stop the rig and being able to actually stop it. We've had a couple instances where people have cut in front of us and it's not easy stopping this trailer. Even with the truck being oversized, it's still tough. So really excited for the disc brakes and a smoother ride. We are a 501c3 nonprofit that supports police and military canines. We were created in 2015 by Charlie and Mitzi Nash, and I came on board in 2018 to help them grow the company. So one of our primary focuses is to pay vet bills if a dog is injured in the line of duty, whether that be shot, stabbed, porcupine, snake bites. If the department can't handle the bills, that's where we step in and we will pay for the surgeries, the rehab, whatever it takes to save that animal's life. Most people don't realize that a lot of these canine departments or canine handlers are self-funded. The departments, they're the last one to get the budget. Therefore, they don't always have the money to take care and equip themselves the way they need to be. Grand Design's been great to us. MoRide's been great to us. We enjoy getting out and meeting new people and helping spread the word. It is tough. We all work full time. I do this on the side. I'm an unpaid employee. I work for Caterpillar as an engineer and do this on the side. So it's exhausting. It's a lot of hours, but it's definitely worth it.